Hi again. It's come to my attention that some people would like to know how I actually wrapped the styrofoam tree with the fabric and if I had like tacked it on or anything. So I'm just a really quick video of how I wrapped it. So I took my styrofoam tree and stabbed it onto a mending bar, and then using a piece of fabric, so it was a long piece of fabric, about 2-3 inches wide, and I didn't even take off all the little like extra strings sticking out. That's okay. And what I'm doing is, so I started it down the tree a little bit, went over the top, and now I'm just wrapping around. And I need to like fold it in places because like it doesn't really want to go around that curve very well. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a 1 or 2 layer thick fabric over the styrofoam just to protect it from the heat. And I still want to have it thin enough layer of fabric so that if I need to use push pins or straight pins to hold the wire and glass to hold it in place, I can do that, because you want to, that's one of the positive things about having a styrofoam base, is that you can help pin it in place. So what I'm doing is I'm wrapping it around. Eventually I'm going to want to be able to take this off because it's not really part of the finished deal. So I don't really want to attach it to the styrofoam. I just want to wrap it. So when I get to the bottom, I can either wrap it around really tight and try to get it to just kind of stay on its own, or you can just kind of loop it into a knot at the bottom. So that worked very nicely. And now I have a tree that has fabric around it, and I can use it. And then when I'm done, I'll just pull it off, and then I can wrap it again for the next one. So there's the little tree that I used with the fabric, is the one on the far right side while you're looking at the picture. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye.